into the military facilities, Aitas have been living here whose culture preserved for generations. We highly regard the Aita brothers in Subic Forest, indeed ancestral land. So, kanilang leader, we have the Eric, Kuya Eric po, and Greggy, and Jesse, and Dusty Boy. There are 3 traditional dances. So, first dance, we have the dragonflies or sayaw ng tatabi. They are performed Greggy. Yan po, noong unang panahon, hindi po uso-uso ang cellphone, TV, radio. So, bumabas sila sa klima o panahon. Yan. The intimidating, the movement of swarming dragonflies in the air, the storm is about to come. Yan po.
Kaya mo.
Okay, give them a round of applause. Palakpakan po natin sila. Next dance, we have the monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. They are performed Dusty Boy.
Ay, shit.
Okay. They believe there is no other animals inside Subic Forest in hunting and foraging and agility and ability.
Oh, galing.
Okay, give them a round of applause.
Galing.
Ito po yung last and final dances. Tinatawag po natin war dance or binabayani dance or pagbabayani dance. They are performed Greggy and Jesse. At yung hawak-hawak po nila, ang tawag po doon is bow and arrow. Yan po. During olden times when laws not yet fully established but set by the elders, yan. And bago sila makipaglaban, humingi sila ng payo to call upon the Malyari to give them a victorious fight to somehow to a peaceful manner, somehow to solve a problem to a peaceful manner. Kung sino po yung magaling mananayaw, siya po yung pinaka-the best na mandirigma.
Ay!
Okay.
Kagami panggugulat?
Thank you, but humble presentation, especially the item brother. Palakpakan po natin sila. Kindly stand up for the last and final attraction. We have the 100 Philippine freshwater crocodile. Let's go.